Now let's explore AI design, branding, and creativity tools that help anyone create professional visuals without needing design skills. These AI tools can generate logos, social media posts, presentations, website layouts, and marketing graphics from simple text prompts in seconds. They also offer smart templates, automatic layouts, background removal, image editing, and AI-generated illustrations, making design faster and easier for beginners. Some tools can even create full brand kits with colors, fonts, logos, and social assets automatically. Let's look at some of the top tools in this category. First is Canva, one of the most beginner-friendly design platforms. It offers drag-and-drop templates, AI image generation, text effects, and quick social media design tools. Next is Microsoft Designer, an AI-powered design tool inside Microsoft 365. It helps create presentations, marketing graphics, and social content directly from text prompts. Figma AI is widely used by professional UI and UX designers. It provides AI-assisted layouts, smart design suggestions, and collaborative design workflows. Then we have Galileo AI, which can generate complete app and website UI designs from simple text descriptors. It's especially useful for startups and rapid prototyping. Looka focuses on AI logo and brand kit creation. It can instantly generate logos, colors, fonts, and branding materials for new businesses. And Stockimg.ai specializes in AI-generated posters, banners, book covers, logos, and social media graphics using purpose-built design templates. And finally, AutoDraw by Google turns rough sketches into clean, professional icons and drawings automatically, making creativity easy for everyone.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.